Have you ever put your hand into a body of water and then pulled it out and watched the ripples move across the surface of the water? This is a beautiful example of how powerful our minds are. You've literally just used your thoughts to move physical matter and have it interact with other matter, with the body of water. You have used the power of your mind to move a physical object exactly the way you wanted it to move, and moved it in a way that it interacted with another body of matter and caused a chain reaction. It's pretty magical. And if you think about your entire reality this way, you'll see that reality is actually quite flexible. It's actually quite malleable. And you can influence your reality with your thoughts. With your thoughts and unwavering faith and belief that it will happen the way that you think it will. Because you see, when you move your hand into and out of the water, you don't doubt that this is how it's going to happen. You know, without a shadow of a doubt, that when you think about moving your hand in a certain way, it will do it. And when you tell your hand to dip into the water, it will do it. And it will pull out of the water, and the ripples will happen. Your universe responds to your thoughts and your beliefs without wavering. Automatically. Sometimes instantaneously. All you have to do is move through your reality with unwavering faith and belief that everything will turn out exactly as you believe it will. Try it.